More than 20 million U.S. students are headed off to college. This year, there's a new item on the curriculum: COVID-19 vaccine mandates. More than 700 colleges and universities now say students must be vaccinated or face repeated COVID testing, enforced social distancing, or even be barred from campus. Colleges are desperate to prevent a replay of last year's damaging campus shutdowns.
Another outbreak would be extremely disruptive. We're risking another evacuation from college campuses in the fall, and it will have an even greater impact on those who are already the most vulnerable in our society.
In the politically hypercharged debate over vaccines in the U.S., there are, naturally, those who refuse to comply. Riley O'Neill, a student at Loyola Marymount University in Los Angeles, is one of them.
It goes back to the idea that I should be able to choose whether I get the vaccine or not. And if I'm going to be coerced into doing that, that doesn't feel like a free choice to me. It very much feels like oppression.
He has sued the university over its vaccine policy. If he refuses the shots, he could attend Loyola Marymount, but would have to undergo repeated testing and observe social distancing with other students. O'Neill's lawyer was quick to frame the issue in political terms.
There's going to be this continued divisive effort by the left, by the progressive side of this nation, to try to create this division between the vaccinated and the unvaccinated.
So far, legal efforts to overturn college vaccine mandates have fallen flat. A federal appeals court recently ruled against students suing the University of Indiana over its vaccine mandate. One of the judges wrote, "People who do not wish to be vaccinated can go elsewhere," and the Supreme Court has upheld that ruling. O'Neill seems unconcerned that unvaccinated young people will get infected and spread the virus to more vulnerable people.
Quite frankly, my age group isn't nearly as affected by COVID-19 as older generations are.
That's a problem, says higher education authorities.
Part of our educational responsibility is to talk to people not only about their rights, but also their responsibilities. And liberal education, America's historic mission of educating for democracy, requires that we impart that message now more than ever.
Surveys show the overwhelming majority of college students approve of campus vaccine mandates. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Los Angeles.